Starting with a new concept of capillarity. So in this module we are going to learn the concept of capillarity. Now class, let us understand first what is a capillary tube. Class, a capillary tube looks something like this. Now this is a tube which has the shape of a cylinder, or I can say that this is a tube which has the shape of a straw. But the difference between the straw and this tube is that it has a very small diameter, or I can say that it has a very small radius. So I say that the inner diameter of the tube is very small, and hence the tube is as thin as hair. Now we say that the word capilla in Latin means hair, and hence this tube is known as capillary tube because the tube itself is as thin as a hair. Now I say that let us learn something called as capillary action. Now class, what happens? Let us say if you have a container and if you put a capillary tube inside this container, I say that the moment you put the capillary tube inside the container, the liquid inside the capillary tube rises above the normal level inside the tube, as you can see. So I say that as soon as the capillary tube is kept inside the water, we observe that water rises upward inside the tube, and that upward rising of water is called as capillary action. Now instead of water, if I talk about mercury, so I say that if I talk about a container having mercury in it, and this time if I put a capillary tube inside this container, I see that mercury falls down below the normal level, and this falling of mercury down as soon as I put the capillary tube inside it is called as capillary action. So we have total two types of capillary action. Either the liquid level comes up or the liquid level falls down. So I say that this coming up, or I can say that this rise of water or fall of mercury inside the capillary tube is called as capillary action. Now, why does this happen? Why does capillary action take place? That part we will be seeing under the next module. So I hope you have understood this module. See you in the next module class. Thank you.